So how you will draw the 13th question? 13th one you can draw it. Show the given shape looks when it is turned half turn. And when it is turned, quarter turn. That is our question now. I did not draw the figure.
Ma'am, you have drawn, but that time our time was over.
So that, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can write it. So already one square is there. Next square also you can draw it. Draw with pencil. Now no disturbance now. No one is talking in between. Yes, it is good. Like this, if you are keeping, classes will be silent. Next square.
Ma'am, if we want, we can color.
Yeah, yes, you can color it. Green color.
Is it compulsory?
Yes, compulsory. Because figure it is there, you can color it.
Ma'am, I colored it blue. Is there any problem?
Okay. Now you cannot change it, no?
No.
Ma'am, I am not in my house.
And the next one, can I color green?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am not in my house. Ma'am, I am not in my house. So can I color it in whenever I am in my house?
Yes. Okay, you can color it afterwards.
Network issue.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can color it with crayons only.
Sketch pens, if you are coloring, means it will be dark. So no need of dark. Yes, one by one. Let her finish now. Yes, tell your doubts and tell your name and ask your doubt. Yes.
Ma'am, Jenika.
Yes, Jenika.
Ma'am, I am in my mother's house, so
yes.
No color. So should I color?
Color it afterwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the board once more?
Yes, I told you to tell your name, and otherwise the whole class will make noise. Tell your name and ask your doubt. Yes. Yes, Manav, you can read the next question, Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next question you can read now.
Yes, ma'am. Draw the next two shapes for the following figure when it turned through 1/4 turn in the clockwise direction.
Draw the two shapes for the following when it is turned quarter turn through the clockwise direction. Okay. Can you draw it now?
Yes.
Can you draw it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 14.
Ma'am, I finished drawing, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Wait. Please mute now. Mute. Yes. Those who completed once, you sit in your place silently. Devarsh, are you sleeping? Feeling sleepy? No. Yes, Sarah. Okay. Quarter turn. Correct it. Color it. You can color it. Very good. Others, please mute and show me the answer silently. One by one. Tell your name and show me the answer. Draw the next two shapes. Two shapes have you drawn, or only one shape you have drawn? Two shapes. Draw the next two shapes for the following figure when it is turned through quarter turn in the clockwise direction. Two figures.
Ma'am, Manav.
Yes, Manav, finish drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. You can color it.
Join now. Sorry.
Yes. Who joined now? Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, is this correct?
No, no. First one turn like this.
Ma'am, I just join now because of network issue.
Okay.
Ma'am, like this, Felix.
Yes, Felix, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Next, second figure is like this. It will come. Third figure will be like this.
Ma'am, like this, Felix.
Ma'am, can
Yes,
you
Felix.
see Siddhi?
Yes, Manjima, correct. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see my
Ma'am,
Felix?
Siddhi.
Yes, wait, one by one.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
Felix. Yes, Felix. Correct.
Is my correct?
One more shape. That is correct. Okay, one more shape you should draw. Two figures.
Two figures.
Two figures. Draw the next two shapes for the following figure when it is drawn. Yes.
Correct, Aditi. Now is it correct?
Yes, now it is correct, Aditi.
Okay,
Correct.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Saira.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Nainika.
Yes, Nainika, correct.
Okay, Mayuk.
Yes, wait. Let them finish.
Mayuk.
Yes, Mayuk. Mayuk, I cannot. Yes, Mayuk. First figure. Okay, you can color it.
Ma'am, Harutvi.
One more figure. Where is one more figure? Like this, one and down.
Ma'am, Siddhi.
Okay. Siddhi.
Ma'am, Harutvi. Ma'am, we
Harutvi.
have to draw and color it with
Yes, you
sketch
can color
pen.
it. Yes, you have to color. Yes, correct now, Sarah. Now it is correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Siddhi.
Yes, one by one I told. Siddhi.
Ma'am, now it's correct, Felix.
Yes, Felix. Now it is correct. Yes.
Thank you.
Felix is showing the doubt. Let them wait to finish. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, Felix.
Yes, Riza finished drawing. Juwan? Yes.
Siddhi.
Siddhi, wait. Yes, correct. You can color it now.
Ma'am, can you shade it with pencil?
Draw with pencil and color it.
Ma'am, I am not having colors.
Yes, I told you to draw it afterwards. Color it afterwards.
I am in my mother's home.
Yes, you told already. Already you told it.
Ma'am, the next problem can be shaded with pencil.
Yes. Shade with the pencil.
Yeah, it's dark, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it correct, Riza?
Riza, first figure not correct. Second figure is correct. Like this you should draw it. First it was straight. Again it is turning clockwise. Like this. It should point like this, and the next one is down.
Okay, ma'am.
Srihari, did you complete now?
Ma'am, I
Diya?
am coloring.
Yes, okay. Diya, okay, very good. Correct.
Ma'am, Aditi.
Yes, Adidev, show me now. Yes, Adidev, correct. Very good. You can color it.
And then we.
Yes. Maria, finish drawing?
No, ma'am.
No, still you are drawing. Manjima, completed? Yes.
Now is it correct, Riza?
Risa, yes, now it is correct. You can color it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct.
Ma'am, can I color the figure after the class?
Yes, you can color it after the class. No problem.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes, tell
just
me.
shade it with pencil.
Yeah, no problem. Next figure you can shade with the pencil.
Ma'am, I am in my mother's house.
Yes,
So
you can
that's
have
it.
Ma'am, Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi. Yes, where you are showing the answer? Tanvi. Yes, I am not getting you. Yes, Rudra, you have drawn it correctly. Rudra, Robin, it is correct now. Tanvi
Ma'am,
only. I can-
Sri finish.
And Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi, correct. No,
Ma'am.
first figure this. Yes.
Sri finish.
Ma'am, is my figure right?
Yes,
Hrithvi.
yes, Hrithvi. Correct.
Ma'am,
Color, which color did you paint?
Ma'am, I painted this orange, but it became yellow.
Painted orange. Any magic?
No,
Yes, Tanvi, I saw it now.
color
Please
has
don't talk others.
Srihari.
Yes, Srihari. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, is my video okay?
Whose video is off?
Siddhi, your video is on, but you are upside down. Again.
Ma'am, my color is yellow.
So shall we go to the next problem? How many of them not completed still? Okay, next problem we can do it. 15th one. Can you draw it by yourself, 15th one?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, you can read now.
Ma'am, we were going by roll number, ma'am.
Yes, who?
Ma'am, we were going.
Yes, we
you
were
are
going
on
according to
roll
roll numbers,
number.
correct. Yes, now who read? Manjima, no?
Manjima finished.
Manjima finished.
Finished.
Ma'am, it
Yes.
is result.
Manas? Manav
Ma'am,
also finished.
Ma'am is
Bino.
also finished.
Yes, Maria Bino?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the next question.
He finished.
No, Maria not finished. Manas finished. Yes, Maria, next question you can read.
Take the required number of 1/4 turns for the given figure so that it gets back to its original position.
Yes.
What are the shapes for each turn?
What is the meaning of the question? What is the meaning of that question? What is the meaning of that question?
Srihari.
Yes, she will tell the meaning. Yes. What you understood from that question?
Take the required number
Hmm.
and 1/4.
No. What is the meaning of the question? Mayuk, how will you read that problem? What you understood from that question?
Ma'am, ma'am, we should take 1/4 turn and we should keep it in its original position.
Yes. What was the original position? The arrow was pointing like this. And take the required number of quarter turns. You have to turn it quarterly in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Any figure, any way you can change it, but you should get back to the original position. They did not mention about which direction. So take the
And can you show the answer of 15th question?
Yes, 15th I am showing now. Take the number of required number of quarter turns so that the figure is coming back to its original position. That is the question given. So one circle is there, an arrow pointing like this. That is the figure given. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. That was already given in the figure itself.
Ma'am, can I go clockwise direction?
Yes, clockwise direction. So if it is next one, quarter turn, if you are turning, it will be straight. Like this, it will come clockwise. First one, first step. Okay, this is the first step you have to draw it. You can color it afterwards. Again, next one, quarter turn. This was the second position. Again, it is coming back to the. Have you understood?
Right from the
Yes.
quarter. Ma'am, should
You will send the homework.
Yes.
Ma'am, should we right draw from quarter turn?
Quarter turn only. Quarter turn you should draw it. First one, this was the original position of the figure. It went straight. Then it came down again. Again it is coming down.
Ma'am, we can shade it, right?
Yes, you can shade it now.
I did not understand.
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Manu.
is mine correct, ma'am?
Yes, listen now. Those who did not understand. This was the original position. That much understood?
Yes.
Yes. Then the question is, take the required number of quarter turns. How many quarter turn if you are going this figure, you will get it back. That is the question. This was the original figure given to you. How many quarter turns you should take, whether you can take it in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So we are going clockwise direction. This was the original position. It is turned quarter turn. The position became like this. Again, one more quarter turn you took. The arrow mark became like this. Again, another quarter turn you look it. So it came down. Again, if you are going like this, this is the fourth. So how many turns it took now? That it took 4 turns. After 4 turns, it reached back to the original position. Now is it clear? Yes. Who did not understand?
I didn't understand.
Yes, you can see.
Finished it, ma'am.
Who did not understand? Raise your hands.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
Hrithvi.
Yes, Hrithvi, I will tell you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have. When we are
Yes.
this will be
Yes,
1,
that is the original figure.
2,
Okay.
3.
Then
So,
second turn, you should turn in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. You can turn it. So second
am I
figure
in
is,
the
yes, if I am talking, you keep quiet. Any doubt now?
Ma'am, the fourth turn it will be position.
Fourth turn, it will be original position. It will come back again.
Okay, ma'am. Now I understand.
Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So first it was there. This arrow mark was turning like this. Again it is rotating. So it will come up. This arrow mark will come up. Again 90 degree. It is rotating. So this one.
Ma'am, Kirtana is my correct.
Yes. Yes. So after how many turns it will come back to the original position? After 4 turns it will come back to the.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Kirtana is my correct.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Is my correct?
Yes. Wait. One by one. Yes, Adidev. Correct. Manav.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah. Where is your arrow mark? Wait, let I am talking here and pointing out mistakes. Others, please mute. Yes, wait for a minute. Yes, Sarah, still arrow marks. Where is your arrow mark?
Ma'am, there is arrow mark.
Okay, it is not clear, but okay. Mayuk, Siddhi, where is
That's my is correct.
Yes, I am coming to you. Yes, wait. Yes, Siddhi, correct.
Manav.
Manav. Yes, wait. Manav, I am checking now. Where is he?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, correct, Manav. Mayuk. Yes.
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Kirtana.
Is my correct,
Yes,
Felix?
Kirtana. Yes, Felix.
Is my Felix?
Yes, correct. Avantika, it is correct. Manchima finished. Okay, it is correct. Yes. Nainika, did you complete? Yes. Anyone is having doubt now? Yes, Manchima. Okay.
Ma'am, Manjima is correct.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me. Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, is the first arrow up? Then we should go to the then we should do quarter turn.
If you want
then,
to turn, yes.
It
First arrow mark was like this. Then it will be turning here again. Again it will come down. Okay. It is clockwise. Then again it will go. Is it okay now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it's for first figure itself like this. So it will be coming to the top. Again coming. Hrithvi, clear now? Who told doubt is there? Cleared all of you? Okay. Yes, next one. Mayuk read the question, yes or no? Yes. Nainika, you can read the next question. Nainika. Yes, Nainika, I cannot hear you. Are you reading? No, she cannot unmute. Yes, Nainika.
Ma'am, can you share the board again?
I rubbed it, I think.
You have rubbed it.
Rubbed it now. The figure was like this.
Yeah, you have rubbed it.
Figure was like this.
Ma'am, I will show her.
Yes. Again it came like this. Again it came down and it came back to the original position. Yes. Next one, Navaneet. Navaneet, you can read the 16th one. Navaneet, are you reading?
Navaneet is absent because his phone has repair.
Phone repair. Okay, Navaneet is absent. Nasnia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can read the next problem. 16th one.
Draw the 1/4 and 1/3 turns of the given figure in the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions.
So 1/4 and 1/3 turn, but they have given the table as 1/4. You can change that it as 1/4 and 1/3 turn, not 1/2 turn that. Instead of 1/2 turn, you change it as direction in turn. Direction they wrote. Direction in turn. So clockwise. First one is clockwise. It is already written there. Second one is anti-clockwise. And first one is quarter turn. Second one they wrote it as half turn. You change it as 1/3 turn.
Can you say Siddhi to stop chatting?
Yes, Siddhi is chatting there.
Not only Siddhi, everyone's chatting.
So no, only Siddhi, many people.
Ma'am, please
Why
reset.
Siddhi is also chatting, ma'am.
Ma'am, see, every time Siddhi is chatting only. Every time Siddhi is
I've disabled now. Now I've disabled and again I will mute and keep now. Please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
not always Siddhi starts chatting.
Not always chatting.
Yeah, first other people will put one message and Siddhi try to answer. And then they keep on like that.
No messages here because chairman will.
Ma'am, should we need to erase that 1/2?
1/2 you can rub it and you can write it as 1/3 turn there.
Okay, ma'am.
First one is 1/4. Second one you can write it as 1/. Yes.
Ma'am, in the box there is 1/4.
One turn also, no need of
1/2
drawing anything.
turn
One
and
turn.
turn.
Not necessary that also because they asked about only 1/4.
You have only.
No need. They asked about and what was the figure here?
So we should erase 1/2 and write 1/3.
Yes. No need of erasing, just to change it to 1/3. And the triangle was, this was the original figure of the triangle, like this. When it is clockwise direction, if it is rotating, what will be the shape of this triangle in the clockwise direction? How the figure will come? Quarter turn. This was the original figure given to you. In the clockwise direction, the triangle will be like this. Quarter turn. Okay. Anyone is having doubt here? No.
Ma'am, 1/3 is
1/3 means?
120, right?
Yes, 120 degree. 120 means more than 90. It will be taking 120.
And in my book, it is 1/2 turn.
1/3 turn, you should change it. You can change it to 1/3 turn. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, but my book also it's showing 1/2.
1/2. That's what I told. Don't write it. You turn it as 1/2.
And I accidentally wrote 1/2 turn.
Half turn also you can write it, no problem. But they did not ask why to answer unnecessarily. If you want, you can write it. One more column you can make it. That's all.
But accidentally I wrote 1/2 turn. Is it
Yes.
problem?
You did for half turn only figure?
Ma'am, I did like this 1 minute,
Yes.
okay?
Yes.
Which pen you done?
Yes, next one, anti-clockwise.
Pencil only.
Then you can rub it, right?
Ma'am, Aditi finished.
Is there any problem in it?
No problem. You can.
But Sarah, do you know why reason I didn't rub it? I have to difficulty in rub it. So
You can draw it.
don't need to do an hard work, right? Then draw another column.
Ma'am, can you look at this?
Yes. Yes, Sarah, you can start. Yes, finish. Sarah, you can start seminar now. 4 more minutes are remaining.
Look at this.
Yes. Correct.
Ma'am, did Sarah did the seminar?
Cyrus, you can have now.
She did not. She did only half.
Who?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes. Yes. Tomorrow I will check your answers. All of you completed now. Now you can start fast. Only 3 minutes now.
Can you share screen?
Ma'am, the
Yes.
one
you will send the
no
notes?
need of answer.
I will send the notes.
The one turn is no answer.
Yes.
We don't need to answer the one turn.
One turn also no need of answering. One turn means it will come back to the original position.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want, you can draw it in clockwise and anti-clockwise. It will come back to the original position. Yes, Sarah, you can start. Only 3 minutes. 2 minutes. It is going time. Time is passing fast.
Now we are going to study about types of angle. First one is zero angle. An angle with measurement 0 is called
This one
zero
you completed
angle.
now?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Now we are going to study about acute angle. If one ray moves such that its final position from one ray is between 0 and 90 degrees, we call that acute angle. Now we are going to study about right angle. When the distance between the initial ray and the final ray is between 90 degrees, then we call it right angle.
Yes.
Now we are going to study about obtuse angle.
Okay.
If the distance between the initial ray and the final ray is between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, then it's called as the obtuse angle.
Yes.
Now we are going to study about straight angle.
Okay.
The final ray lies at distance of 180 degree. It is called a straight angle.
Okay.
Reflex angle.
Yes.
If the final ray is at distance of more than 180 degree, then it's called reflex angle.
Okay.
Complete angle. If the measurement of angle is 360, then it is called complete angle.
Okay.
Now we are going to study about net of solids.
Yes.
Net of solid. The 2D framework of 3D solid is called net of solid.
Yes.
Net of a cube.
Yes.
Net of a cube is having 6 faces.
Yes.
All faces are squares.
Yes.
Net of a cuboid.
Yes.
It is having 6 faces, 4 rectangles and 2 square.
Yes.
Net of a cylinder. Net of a cylinder is having 2 circular ends and the rectangle.
Yes.
Net of a cone.
Yes.
Net of a cone is having circular base and the curved surface.
Yes.
Now we are going to study about perspective.
Yes.
Objects look different when viewed from different sides. The concept is known as perspective.
Perspective.
Now I'm going to ask questions.
Yes.
My first question goes to Srihari.
Yes, Srihari.
Yes.
Time over, Sarah, 4:55.
Ma'am, only one question, ma'am.
Only one question. Okay, you can ask and finish it. Okay, very good. Presentation
How-
next.
Okay. How many main branches are there for mathematics and which are they?
3.
Srihari.
The main,
Yes.
they are
Ma'am, I have some
algebra, geometry,
Yes.
arithmetic, and arithmetic.
Yes.
Correct.
Ma'am,
answer.
can I say one thing? We have other class.
I'm having a
Both you